Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we from group 7.
We'll discuss about scientific literature.
He asked, will he add papers and example?
So, what is scientific literature? Scientific literature is an important source of information in various fields, including psychology. Understanding the types of scientific literature and their characteristics is very crucial in the process of research, analysis, and knowledge development in this field. In this group discussion, we will discuss the definition of scientific literature, identify its various types, and provide concrete examples in the context of psychology. So, scientific literature is written work that contains the result of research, theory, and analysis that have gone through a scientific screening and validation process. This written work is usually published in scientific journal, textbook, or research reports. The main goal is to disseminate new knowledge, text exciting theories, and encourage scientific development.
Type of literature. In scientific research, there are various types of literature. He asked with distinct function, format, and person made. Number 1. Research article. There is type of article person, original research, conditional by the authority, typicals including the mention, research, discussion, and conclusion. There is students I am to contribute now knowledge to the file. Number 2. Literature review. Literature review provides a comprehensive view of existing research, identify trends, gaps, and general conclusion within a specific field. These are commonly used to sumber person students on a particular topic. Number 3. Meta-analysis. Meta-analysis, he asked quantitative literature review method the combines research from multiple students to provide broader conclusion. Meta-analysis are used to measure the effect size of a particular phenomena action several students. Number 4. Case students. Case students are in the part examinations of specific cases, often involving individual or small group. I met understanding certain phenomena within context. These tend to be more descriptive and explorative. Number 5. The article are class. These articles explore the theoretical concepts of proposal the authors to explain psychological phenomena. The article are class of the form and the but specific from words of the article content. Number 6. Experimental reports. Experimental reports are articles present the result of experimental conduction by the author. The who all include the research purpose, experimental method, research, and interpretation of findings. Number 7. Editorial of option papers. His type of article present the scientific option of viewpoint of the author. Often, I expert in the fight on a particular issue tend of decision. Number 8. Commentary or discussion papers. Commentary or discussion typical respond to author articles, either supporting or critiquing the method and findings present, will provide additional insight or recommend.
Next, I will discuss examples of scientific literature in the field of psychology based on the types that my friend has mentioned. Number 1 is research article. An example of this type is occupational stress and mental health among healthcare workers serving socially vulnerable populations during the COVID-19 pandemic, which examines the level of occupational stress and its impact on mental health in healthcare workers working with socially vulnerable populations during the COVID-19 pandemic. Number 2 is literature review. Examples of this type is psychological therapies for depression in older adults residing in long-term care settings, in which the journal reviews different types of psychological therapies that are effective for treating depression in older adults living in long-term care facilities, such as nursing homes or rehabilitation facilities. Number 3 is meta-analysis. An example of this type is the efficacy of cognitive behavioral therapy, a review of meta-analysis, where this journal discusses the effectiveness of cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT based on the results of many previously conducted studies. Number 4 is case study. An example of this type is a case study of cognitive behavioral therapy for social anxiety and depression, which discuss the application of cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT to treat a case of an individual with social anxiety and depression. Number 5 is theoretical article. An example of this type is self-determination theory and facilitation of intrinsic motivation, social development, and well-being, which discuss self-determination theory, which explains how one's intrinsic motivations, social development, and well-being can be facilitated or enchanted. Number 6 is experiment report. An example of this type is mindfulness practice leads to increases in regional brain gray matter density, which discuss an experiment on the impact of mindfulness practice on gray matter density in specific areas of the brain. Number 7 is editorial or scientific opinion. An example of this type is global trends in research related to social media in psychology, mapping and bibliometric analysis, which discuss global trends in research linking social media to psychology through a mapping and bibliometric analysis approach. And last, comment or discussion paper. An example of this type is a brief commentary on discursive psychology and talking to others, which comments on the discursive psychology approach, which emphasizes the importance of language and conversation in understanding the human mind and behavior. That's all from us. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.